Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making what I'm calling a Space Vortex shirt. My shirt was washed and dried, soaked in a soda ash solution for at least 20 to 30 minutes, wrung out in my Panda spin dryer, and so it's just barely damp. I also have it turned inside out. I'm using the fork to begin a spiral. I'm only going to spiral my shirt part of the way. Holding my spiral in place, I'm going to just scrunch up the outside portion of the shirt. Then I'm going to use some rubber bands to hold it all in place. Before I begin applying my dye, I'm going to use a washable marker and make a mark around the outside of my spiral, just so that I have my spiral defined. Then I'm going to draw 6 equal pie portions on my shirt with that marker, and I'm making sure I go through the center of the spiral for each of them. I've put my dye in small needle tip bottles, which I purchased from Amazon, and I'll leave a link down below in the description. The colors that I'm going to use are stock red from Grateful Dyes, bright orange from Grateful Dyes, lemon yellow from Dharma Trading Company, green from Custom Colors, turquoise from Grateful Dyes, and grape from Custom Colors. I want to apply a pretty good portion of each of these dyes on the front side because I'm not going to add more colored dye to the back side. Every now and then you'll see me check the back side. What I'm doing is I'm checking to see if I can see the color starting to come through onto the back side. On the scrunch portion of the front side of my shirt, I'm going to use lapis from Pro Chemical and Dye. Now I'm going to turn my shirt over, and all over the back side of this shirt I'm going to add black TDB from Custom Colors. I don't want to oversaturate with the black, otherwise it will overtake all my colors on the front. Now that I'm finished applying the dye, I'm going to take my shirt and put it down inside of a tub. My plastic tub has got a rack down in the bottom of it, which will keep the shirt from sitting on the bottom of the tub. And it will also allow any excess dye to just run through the shirt and gather in the bottom of the tub. I'm going to put the lid on my tub and set it outside where it's nice and hot. Then I'll wash it out in 24 hours. After I washed and dried my shirt, this is what it looks like. I think that the yellow kinda got lost in my spiral, but I do think that it looks like a vortex. Hey, if you guys are enjoying watching my videos, I sure would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel. All you have to do is hit the big red subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.